In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a perfect vertical line in Microsoft PowerPoint. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along right away. Start by opening your slide and heading to the Insert tab at the top of PowerPoint. This is where you add all kinds of visual elements. Click on Shapes, and in the Line section, choose the Basic Line tool. You'll know it's active when your cursor turns into a crosshair, which helps you place the line precisely. Now click where you want the line to begin, keep your mouse button held down, and drag in the general direction you want the line to go. If you're aiming for a perfectly vertical line, hold the Shift key while you're dragging. Holding Shift locks the angle so the line stays perfectly straight, either vertical or horizontal, depending on your movement. Keep holding Shift until you release the mouse button to finalize the line. If you need accuracy, zoom in a bit first, so it's easier to land exactly where you want. PowerPoint's alignment guides may appear as you drag, which can also help you position the line relative to other objects. Once the line is drawn, it's time to make it look the way you want. Click the line to select it, and the Shape Format tab will appear on the ribbon. If you don't see Shape Format, make sure the line is selected. The small handles on either end are a good sign it's active. In Shape Format, go to Shape Outline to change the color. You can pick a theme color to keep your slide consistent, or choose a custom color if you have a specific look in mind. To adjust thickness, still under Shape Outline, select Weight. Thickness is measured in points. Thinner lines, like 1 to 2.25 pt, look subtle and clean, while thicker lines make a stronger statement or help with visibility on large screens. You can also explore dash styles here if you want a dotted or dashed look, though a solid line is best for most layouts. If you need to reposition the line slightly after formatting, hover until you see the Move cursor and drag it into place. To change its length, drag one of the end handles. If you want to keep it perfectly vertical during this adjustment, hold Shift while you drag. That's it. Insert the line, drag while holding Shift to keep it vertical, and fine-tune its color and thickness in the Shape Format tab. With these steps, your lines will be precise, consistent, and presentation ready.